So guys, today's video, we're going to be going to see the Whalen tornado siren going off right here, almost noon. It's Saturday, and it's almost noon when they go off. So that's what we are doing right now. We are going to be going to, see it go off. Hold on a second, I'm getting buckled. Sorry guys. Okay. We going to see the tornado siren go off. Whalen tornado siren. So yeah.
Always Whalen tornado.
Whalen?
Yeah.
Whalen tornado siren?
Yeah. There's always Whalen tornado siren.
Yes. Yeah. In our state right now, there's only Whalen tornado sirens here for some reason, 4 of them. Or 5 somewhere, I don't know.
Hey, Mom, we go to the train track?
We will.
Oh, why is it getting so dark? Oh yeah. I'm so excited.
Good.
Yep. Okay. I'll cut this part, and yeah, I guess we're going to be passing by the train tracks, and that's when I'm going to start recording again. Okay, bye. Well, guys, I guess we're not going across the train tracks because we're going to the closest tornado siren here. It's that one right here by the train tracks. So anyways, yeah. That's what it is, I guess. You have to go around those or something?
Yeah. Okay, we'll go over the train tracks and then we'll come back and park up in there, okay?
No, I don't want to go around them. Well, guess we are going across them.
No lights.
We go to the tornado siren.
The train sometimes comes when the tornado siren goes off when it's after.
Okay, you ready to go to the tornado siren?
Yeah.
Okay. Listen here, old man, if you're not going to go, I'll take off and go in front of you.
Go.
Okay, guys. There it is. Yeah, right there. It's good.
Right there.
Yeah. So I'll just hold this up until it goes off, guys. So yeah. Be quiet for a little bit.
Okay, it's got 4 minutes.
4 minutes, okay. So guys, I'll not talk for a little. Guys, don't talk until it goes off when it's done going off, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, I'll stop talking for like 3 to 4 minutes, whatever. So yeah, bye guys.
What do you say? Bye, guys.
This is the last minute, guys. There it goes. Whalen tornado siren going off noon Saturday. There it goes. Oh yeah, guys.
Yo,
That was sick.
I never see that in my whole entire life.
Oh yeah, guys. Tornado siren in Dowagiac. No, I mean tornado siren in Dowagiac, Michigan. I'm sorry if my dad sees this. I said that, but it just for some reason this came out of my mouth. I'm sorry, Dad. But yeah, the tornado siren. This goes off Saturday noon. Oh yeah, Whalen tornado siren goes off, and at noon, and the day is Saturday. So yeah, guys. Yeah.
Bye.
No, bye. Okay. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.
Bye.